Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As we progress in our studies in the ABRSM Grade 5 Discovering Music Theory workbook, my lessons now guide you through the third chapter of this book where we look at the topic of transposition. It's very important that we learn to transpose because many instruments within the orchestra don't play at the pitch tuned to C. And so we need to learn how to transpose to the interval of a major second to accommodate the B-flat clarinet. We need to transpose to the interval of a minor third for the clarinet in A to accommodate that instrument. And we need to learn how to transpose to a perfect fifth to accommodate the horn in F. And I work with you through every single exercise of this third chapter to explain exactly how we easily go about that. The full lesson is available on Patreon. If you visit my Patreon channel at patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you'll find everything that you need to know there. And sample examples of this lesson will follow after this short little video so that you can see how I work with you step by step through every single exercise. You'll find the link to this lesson in the cards and in the description box below. And once you feel that you are ready to take your ABRSM Grade 5 Music Theory exam, I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time when you're actually taking the exam. This book is available from Amazon in either digital format or as a paperback, and you can find the links to that in the cards and in the description box below. And you can find all the information that you need on my website if you visit www.sharonbill.com. Enjoy your studies. Bye. From D, so here is D, and so if that is 1, this is 2. It's a full tone, so D to E is a major second higher. If you get the number first, so 1, 2, and then we can adjust the major minor as necessary, we've got half of the job done easily straight away. Now here, we need this interval to be a minor third lower, so let's just think about just the third aspect of that first of all. So here we want to count backwards, 3, 2, 1, there is our third lower. And now we've got to decide if it's a major or a minor, so we want, and transposing it up the relevant amount. So here we have the key signature of C major. It could be A minor, but any accidentals would kind of deal with that for you along the way. And it's much easier to just think in a major key, so C major, and we know that C, upper major second, takes us to D. And so our new key signature must be D major. So we've gone from C major to D major. And then every note must then move up a full tone, a major second. So we've gone from C, which is our key note. And so we go up one step from C to D, which is our key note. And then is it true or is it false that the key of C minor transposed down a perfect fifth becomes the key of G minor? Well, we've just looked at C down a fifth, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C minor down a perfect fifth would be F minor. We've not gone far enough, have we? It's actually up a perfect fifth. They've taken us the wrong way again, and so that's false.